Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to share something truly timeless and elegant with you. If you love classic jewelry that never goes out of style, this video is just for you. Right now, you're looking at a beautiful multi-strand pearl necklace that represents pure sophistication. Pearls have always been a symbol of grace, femininity, and effortless beauty. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or simply adding charm to your everyday look, pearls always make a statement. What I personally love about this necklace is its layered design. The multiple strands create a rich, luxurious feel without looking heavy. Each pearl is perfectly round, softly luminous, and carefully strung to maintain balance and flow. The golden clasp on the side adds a subtle touch of luxury and completes the design beautifully. This necklace is incredibly versatile. You can wear it with an evening gown for weddings, formal dinners, or special celebrations. At the same time, it pairs just as well with a simple blouse or dress, instantly elevating your everyday outfit. That's the magic of pearls. They adapt to your style effortlessly. In the USA, pearl jewelry is often associated with timeless fashion icons and modern elegance. Women of all ages love pearls because they are classic, yet always trending. This necklace is perfect for anyone who appreciates the refined beauty and minimal luxury. Another great thing about this piece is how comfortable it is to wear. Despite the layered look, it feels light on the neck and sits gracefully, giving you confidence and comfort throughout the day. If you're searching for a meaningful gift, this pearl necklace is a wonderful choice. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, or even as a self-love gift. Pearls never lose their charm, making them a lasting addition to any jewelry collection. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed this elegant jewelry vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more beautiful designs and style inspiration. I'll see you in the next video.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much.